Yo, my mother, my Dukes, has just sent me a care package from America. And we gotta see what's inside. Okay, these are my most favorite snack ever. Sunflower seeds, David barbecue, to be specific. They're amazing. That's one, two, three, four, five. Oh my gosh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, oh my gosh, 11, 12, 13, what? 14. Also, this is like for Christmas stuff, so I got some gumballs. That's cool. A new belt, nice. You know, stuff is expensive in Norway, so hey. Another bag. That's 15. Oh, this is some stuff from school. Hold on, I gotta show you this. And, oh, I got some Kanye glasses. So I'm about to show you them clothes, so I gotta get rid of this. Got the glasses. Ooh, y'all don't remember this Kanye, huh? What? Y'all don't remember this Kanye? You gotta look up the pictures on Google. This is back in the day, though. And just for the record, even with this bright light right there, I can't see nothing. And this right here, this is from middle school, junior high, which is like, well, I grew up in Herndon, Virginia, so this middle school in Herndon was 7th and 8th grade at the time. So this is my gym shirt. Look at that right there. What? Look, you don't even know. If you wasn't from Virginia, you don't know about the sleeves. And on the bottom, Herndon Athletics. Used to have this with some black shorts. This is Herndon, Virginia in the house, baby. 703 DMV. Yo, my God. Actually, the shorts was in there too. Look, there's the shorts. Oh my God. Yo. This is from 1998. So in America, it's like you have PE, physical education. And so during the school, I don't know if they have that in Norway. But during school, you have PE, you go into the locker room, and you got to change into, into the shorts. Yo, I'm about to put it on. I actually can't even believe that this still fits. What? Look at this here. Oh my God. So this is the baller shirt, right? So the point of the baller shirt was that you had the sleeves hanging here, and whatever hand you shoot with a basketball, boom. You see what I'm saying? Then it don't cover this. But then on the bottom here is because just in case you like balling and you got spin. Ooh, you see that? Yeah, you saw that, man. Look, whatever. This shit was hot when we was in like middle school. American high school and junior high is a whole vibe though. It's a whole vibe. So anyway, we also got this joint right here. So this was given Herndon, you see Herndon, Virginia. Herndon Hornets, you see the Hornet, boom. This was given to everybody in my class, right? So you see, this is the year we graduated high school, and it got everybody's name on it. And yeah, a lot of people still ain't got this. I don't even know how I still have it. And I really don't know how I have it in Norway. This is like blowing my mind right now. You don't even want to know the year they gave me this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. This is from 1996. This was a shirt they gave you at the end of elementary school, which was kindergarten to 6th grade. And it was given to everybody, and it was like to celebrate you finishing elementary school. Then you would go to middle school, 7th and 8th grade. Then you go to high school, which is 9th to 12th grade. And you graduate, bam, 2002. Oh my God. All right, let's see what else is in that box. Ooh, got my most favorite movie of all time, Casablanca. One day I'm going to go to Morocco to go to Casablanca. I don't have a DVD player, but I'm going to figure out how to watch this. Got some bubble yum, cotton candy flavor, and the original, right? But unlike Norway, America has all the unhealthy food coloring. So the original bubblegum looks like that, and cotton candy is blue and tastes like cotton candy. It's amazing. We got some Christmas gifts here. A sphere ice mold, so I can make ice spheres. Yeah. Also, what we got here? It's like a journal, a dream journal. Don't dream your life, live your dreams. Hey, I'm feeling that. So this is just like a, yep. Okay. And we got some candy canes. You know, it's supposed to be Christmas, but I'm still going to eat all of these. Got some more gum. But right here, strawberry watermelon and regular watermelon. And then, oh, look at this. I got some socks, the Looney Tunes socks. Oh, man. I'm finna wear these to work tonight. Oh, look at that. Boom. Boom. All right, what else we got? Oh, see, this is the American version of all this stuff. So you know it's got the good stuff in it. And by good stuff, I mean sugar. Oh, wow. No way. This is another. Oh. See, if you don't know, you just don't know. But this used to belong to my father. Well, until I took it. You know, it's mine now, but this was my dad's, and he used to wear it, you know, back in the day. So that's cool. It says game day. Game day. That's so cool. Oh, my gosh. See? Boom. Game day. Oh, my God. Nostalgia feels. What? This is from my freshman year of high school. I went to Oakton High School in Vienna, Virginia. This is old. This is 1998, 99 is my freshman year of high school. But yeah, Oakton basketball, baby. Look at that. Then I have this card here. I was an instructor for European Bartender School, and I taught a course in Stockholm. And my students sent me this card. Look at that. Rob does it all. Cocktails. Oh, it's going to give me all of my feels. Some other random stuff. I'm going to do a video on those too because they're awesome. I got these handmade when I was in Budapest. I'll have to figure out what these are. But yeah, that was an unboxing of a package of good stuff from America. So, I don't know. Hope you enjoyed that look into my life. But I got to get going to work.